Good morning, students. Hope you are doing well, keeping good health, and started preparations for your external exams. In today's lecture video, I am going to discuss on how to take engineering graphics exam and clear in a single attempt. Please listen to the each and every point which I am going to talk in this video till the end. As you all are aware that like other courses, even engineering graphics course consists of 75 mark, keeping in view a COVID pattern. As till now we did not get any official notification from the university keeping in view the COVID pattern, I am going to discuss even the question paper pattern also in today's video. Before that, I would like to let you all know that like other courses, even engineering graphics consists of 5 units. Isn't it, dear students? It also consists of 5 units where the first unit is all about the conic sections as well as cycloidal curves and the scales. If you look at the conic section, we need to construct ellipse, parabola, hyperbola using general method, as well as in sometimes they are going to ask even the other methods too. Please do practice all these methods. And coming to the cycloidal curves, we have general method as well as epicycloid and hypocycloid. Out of these three, any one will be getting for sure, dear students. And coming to the scales, in the scales we have plane scales as well as diagonal scales. Be perfect with the first unit. Why? Because it is all about the general construction. You are not supposed to think much whereas coming to the second unit onwards, you need to put your knowledge as well as thinking skills in order to get the concept. Whereas the first unit is all about the general step-by-step constructions. Please go through the textbooks as well as the lecture notes and the drawing sheets which you have done till now. Please make sure, dear students, the first unit consists of 3 categories. They are nothing but conic sections, cycloidal curves as well as scale. You need to be perfect with the unit 1. Why? Because it is very easy, and if you want to pass this course, each and every student should be perfect with the unit 1. If you are not getting any concepts, please go through this channel and watch the videos on engineering graphics also. The second unit is all about the orthographic projections. Dear students, the basic concepts are being learned in the second unit in order to cover the remaining 4 units. Second, third, fourth and fifth unit is all about the orthographic projections as well as isometric projections. What I need to prepare, sir? Can I go directly to the fourth unit? No, I say it is difficult. You should have a minimum basic concepts on first angle projection method as well as third angle projection method, dear students, in order to cover the remaining units. So you be clear with the concepts of projections as well as orthographic projections too. Later in the unit 2, it consists of orthographic projection of points, orthographic projection of lines as well as orthographic projection of planes. Even the second unit consists of 3 categories. They are points, lines and planes. Dear students, if you're perfect with these 3 concepts and the unit 1, it is very easy to clear the subject who is just looking to pass this subject. As the talk is that engineering graphics is one of the difficult subject. Please, dear students, listen to the video till the end. I'll make sure you all that you are going to clear this subject in the first attempt, and I'm going to make few more videos how to clear this subject in a first attempt in the coming days to go. The third unit is all about orthographic projection of solids as well as sections of solids. So third unit consists of 2 main categories. They are solids, orthographic projection of solids. We are going to talk about different types of solids there, as well as we are going to cut the solid, dear students, and see the sectional views of those. If you are perfect with the unit 2, then only you will be getting certain knowledge in unit 3. Coming to the fourth unit, the fourth unit is all about the development of solid surfaces as well as intersections of solids. Again, unit 2 is unit 4 also consists of 2 categories. They are nothing but intersections of solids, 2 solids which they are going to intersect, as well as the development of the solid surfaces. Dear students, in order to get the developments, in order to get the intersections, you should be perfect with the solid concepts. If you need to get the solid concepts, you should should be perfect with the planes, and later you should be perfect with the lines. If you be perfect with the line, then you should be perfect with the points. So the sequence is like this. In second, third and fourth unit is that you should have a minimum basic fundamentals of orthographic projections to clear this subject. And that is very easy. You can do that, dear students. What I mean to tell is, if you don't know points, you cannot draw the lines. If you don't know lines, you cannot draw the planes. And if you don't know the planes, you cannot go with the solids. That's the reason, if you're feeling the subject is difficult, for a better pass, I tell all the students to go with the second unit and go through all the introduction parts, and which all are there even in this video on first and third angle projection methods. Make sure to learn the concepts, dear students, and this course is very important for mechanical engineering, civil engineering students too. In the coming days to go, they are going to have certain subjects related to graphics or drawing. And the fifth unit is all about the isometric projections, dear students, as well as the part B is all about the convergence of isometric to orthographic and vice versa. I mean, it may be conversion from isometric to orthographic as well as orthographic to isometric. Hope you all clear with the units which are being prescribed by the JNTUH. Now, I'll be talking on how the question paper as if it is a COVID pattern. As from the past 2 years, the paper is of COVID pattern. In the COVID pattern, it is asked that the 6 questions of which you are supposed to attempt any 3 questions. Each question carries 25 marks, dear students. I hope if it is a COVID pattern, the question paper pattern is just like it consists of 6 questions from the 5 units and each question carries 25 marks. Isn't it easy to clear this subject, dear students? Each question carries 25 marks. If you're perfect with the 2 units and if you're done with certain 90% to 80% of the problem, evaluator who is correcting your paper, it should be very neat in its standards, usage of pencils, writing the dimensions, writing the notes very neat. And if you attempt a minimum of 2 questions, you can get here itself 40 marks, dear students. I'm not asking that to read only 2 units. To go a better score, you can have 3 units to the maximum, as well as whoever the student is willing to get a 10% of marks, he should be clear at least with the 4 units so that he'll be getting 75 mark. Dear students, these all units which I covered is only for your reference, and please make sure to learn first unit as well as second unit and the 5th unit. Why? Because the compulsory question, the 6th question is the conversion of isometric to orthographic or orthographic to isometric. This question comes compulsory. A diagram will be given, you need to convert. So what you need to do in the 5th unit is, as you have enough time while reading the other subjects, spend 10 to 15 minutes or a half an hour a day to convert a 3D to 2D conversions, so that will be easy for you all in the examination. I hope you refer the textbooks as well as the lecture notes and the drawing sheets which we have done till now. In the coming videos, I am going to do the tips. I'm going to give the tips and how to make the drawings too fast and how to understand the question as well as how to make the question to answer easily. These concepts will be taught in the coming videos. I hope you are watching all my videos, and earlier to this video I have done a drawing sheet which is going to be provided by the JNTUH. If you haven't gone through that video, please go through it and watch it. I hope you are very clear with the concepts and the units and the marking for the question paper if it is a COVID pattern. Thank you. I hope you are going to share this video to all the students of mechanical, civil as well as CSM students who are going to take this exam in the first semester. Hope it will benefit you all, and please do share my videos and subscribe to my channel to get a latest notifications and updates on engineering graphics and even other courses too. Thank you.